All right, so all right. You won't need internet to follow along here. So we'll start as we always do here. I'm going to hit New, open my basic template, and here we go. So I'm going to start just by adding a point here. And our first assignment for today is just about layers, and I give you a number of different layers. We've already done quite a bit of work in layers. So say I draw a circle in my object layer here. So here we have our circle. Realize you can't see that on the screen very well, but
How big?
any size you like. This is your own free creativity here. So that's in my object layer. We also, all right, I'm gonna move this into my another layer here. So I'm gonna click on my circle, and I'm gonna go right up here to my layers, drop this down, and I'm gonna move this into my text layer. Now you can see that a little bit better. So I've moved an object into my text layer. Now if I were to go and say draw another circle, snap it to that same point, it's going to revert back to our object layer. Now, if you select your layer first, so now I'm going to do my text layer, draw a circle. Now when I draw, it'll keep my items in that same layer there. So if I want to move something, say this circle here, into a different layer, I just click on it, go up here to my layers, drop down, and I can pick any layer I want here. So I'll pick this our dimension layer here to make it blue. So the only difference between today's assignment and previous assignments is I'm just going to have you do more layers. We'll go through different ones, and different layers do different things. For example, if I were to draw a line, I think you've seen this a few times, but haven't actually drawn one. I'm going to draw a line right through the middle of my circle here. Click on my line, and then I'm going to put it in my center layer. If you can see that very well, but now my line is just dashed. And this is just sort of a common thing here. So just by it being in the center layer, that has what they call a line type. And a line type makes it dash there. So let's see if I have today's assignment right here. So there's a number of, I know this looks complex, but this is all stuff that you've done before. It's just more of a review. The only thing is now I have different layers here. And so the green writing here, again, is just my notes. You don't need to retype that. It's just to let you know which layer to put everything in. Obviously, these lines are tangent snapped. The star, similar to our other star assignment, everything else.